So I'm just going to wash this mold out just in the sink, just using water. I'm not going to use any soap. Just kind of give it a little rinse here. Use my fingers to kind of rub the sugar out, kind of making sure I'm getting into the details, you know, the eyes and the teeth and all that. And once that's clean, okay, we're in good shape. Now, I don't want to begin molding right away because, you know, it'll really get quite sticky with all the extra water in there. So it's real important that you dry your mold out and that your mold is basically perfectly dry before you start, you know, molding the sugar mixture again. And in order to do that, you really need to make sure, once again, and kind of dry out the little details, dry out around the teeth, around the eyes, around the nose, because those are the areas of the mold that tend to stick the most and tend to grab the sugar. So once you get this kind of washed and dried, you kind of want to wash and dry both sides, then you're ready to do some more. And like I say, you can usually do, you know, up to maybe 5, maybe 6 or 7 sometimes before they start sticking, and then you're going to want to have to go do a little hand wash then. But so now I've done my little hand wash with water, and it's dry, and I'm ready to start molding out some more.